Hi, how did you like Kala Ghoda this year?
Kala Ghoda this year was okay. I wasn't really a big fan of
Did
it.
you attend it last year?
Yes, I did attend it last year as well.
How did you find it then?
I liked last year's Kala Ghoda because I think the art installations that were present were more personalized, and as an artist, I connected with that kind of work more. And this year, it seemed a little too cold and a little too commercialized for my taste.
Cool. And do you want to say something about the crowd that attended the fest?
Okay, the crowd. Well, okay, I'm trying to be nice here, but honestly, it just felt like it seems like Kala Ghoda's turned into this thing that it's an it place to go where all people dress up really fancy, go take pictures, and that's all they care about. There's no real appreciation of art, so much so that the actual artists who do attend Kala Ghoda are. You want me to name?
I am Pitula.
And what do you do?
I'm working at Merce Line.
Okay, so did you visit the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival this time?
Yes, I visited on the 7th, that was the first day, and today.
Okay, so did you like it?
Yeah, I did like it.
So what did you like about it?
I like the food, I like the music fest. The arts did not really interest me that much, the paintings and all, but yeah, it was really good.
And did you go there the last year?
I did not have the chance to be there last year since I wasn't in Mumbai.
Oh, okay. So, do you plan to go there the next year if Kala Ghoda festival happens again?
Yeah, definitely. It's a nice thing that these Mumbai people have organized it. So yes, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. Can you compare it with the fest that you attended last year?
Okay, so this year's Kala Ghoda was less about the art and more about the whole Swachh Bharat Abhiyan because that's all you could see everywhere, having these plakaats and everything. Plus also installations this year weren't as interactive as they were last year. So it was pretty bad this year, I guess.
So you didn't like it this year?
Not really. Even the food workshops were more of nor.
Kala Ghoda festival last year, and did you attend it this year? Can
Yeah.
you compare the two for me?
So what I said earlier was there was like this really hot Kathak dancer this time, and there was like this really hot flamenco dancer the last time, Spanish flamenco dancer last time, and they were both like explaining what they did right before they did it. So I was like hamana. So yeah, it was pretty good.
So you liked it better last year or this year?
The Kathak dancer was hotter than the flamenco dancer, so definitely this year.
Alright, what about the crowds and the food at Kala Ghoda and the art installations?
A lot of hotter people this year as well.
Okay.
Definitely this year.
So you didn't appreciate the art there?
I did, but apparently some people in this room don't think that the art is good enough.
Hi, what's up? What's your name?
Hi, I'm Britain.
Okay, and what do you study?
I am pursuing BMA.
First year, second year?
Second.
Alright, did you go to the Kala Ghoda festival this time?
Yeah, I went to Colorado.
And how did you find it?
It was not that good. It was, last year's Colorado was much better.
Why do you feel so?
Because last year the installations were much better than this year, and the artwork that was there last year was much creative and much finer than with whatever is displayed this year.
Alright, sir. Alright. Thank you.